How do you live your day? You live your day like me. I don't live my day. I don't live my day. Therefore my day is beautiful. I don't have the responsibility to live. I don't even have a life. I am life. You are life. How do you live a day is a hoax question. It's not true. How do you live? How are you living now? Sitting here is also taking place. When you sneeze, do you say, I think I'm going to sneeze in about 2 minutes? I'm going to be hungry in 3, thirsty in 4. You don't do it. When you're walking, do you think, where should I put my next step? No? Is it not just happening? Everything is happening. This is the magnificence of your own being. Everything is happening. The senses are functioning. In the morning, do you have to switch them on? Turn them up to the right volume? Nothing you have to do. Your life is spontaneity itself. How do you live your day? Don't live your day. Don't live your day. If you want to have a bad day, live your day. Don't live, forget about it. Don't live your day. The eyes open in the morning, and everything is up and about. Forget about living your day. Why take on extra burden? Don't live your day. Can you say, today I am not going to experience? Can you do it? Can you stop experiencing? Experiencing will take place. I'm not going to move a muscle. And the mosquitoes. Can you command the life force how to behave? Can anybody do it? Oh, I tell you, your life is going to be such a beauty. It is going to be such a beauty. Stop buying the promises of a politician. Mind is telling you, I will help you, I will show you how to be. Yeah, forget about it. You are. Throw everything out. Throw all these walking sticks away and dance, you see. Mind makes you clumsy. It makes you clumsy, thinking how do I dance, how do I put my foot? Yes, like this. I want to see you throw all your burdens away. These thoughts are not serving you. These thoughts are not serving you. You are the magnificent being, a mighty being. You have no place amongst these type of thoughts. Don't descend down into that region. Don't pick it up. Don't pick up any of this. You don't need it. Eat the food in your mouth. Swallow. That's all. Enjoy your life, please. If you feel drawn to a certain type of food, eat. Enjoy yourself. If you feel I'd like to change it, change it. Enjoy yourself. There's a time to put effort and a time not for effort. There's a time to work and a time not to work. It's a time even to think and a time not to think. Let them all play themselves out in your presence. I did not come here to find followers, you know. I came here to release sages, full power, not eeny, meeny, miny, mo. You don't have to go out and get this power somewhere else. It's already here. Yeah.